Hello, everyone. Thank you, and welcome back to our YouTube channel called Coffee with Success. Today, we're going to be talking about the continuation of best affiliate marketing programs for beginners in 2021. And we're going to kind of describe what are the best 5 affiliate marketing programs out there for beginners in this year, 2021. Let's get started. If this button ever works on time for me, it would be awesome. Sorry, guys. Okay, so 5 easy steps to start an affiliate marketing for beginners. Right now, we're going to focus on the second tier, find and join an affiliate program, like we mentioned earlier. But before we get there, I want to emphasize on the pros and cons. So first pro, you don't have to put up a large amount of money, right? Compared to starting up a business, there's virtually no overhead costs with affiliate marketing. You don't have to pay for manufacturing, shipping, customer service, or even the most of the marketing. All you need is a computer, an internet connection, and a small amount of money to build your website. And there's a lot of things out there that can bring that cost significantly. You can make money when you're not working your regular job, or if you're not a work-home parent, but a stay-at-home parent, you can do this on the side too. Obviously, it's very flexible. You can scale up easily. Once you get that sweet spot, you can start scaling up, right? And take that next step. And you don't have to be an expert. The cons, right? We got to be honest, transparent here. You don't get a sign-in bonus, deposit, or weekly paycheck. You only earn when someone clicks on your affiliate link and buys from that merchant. There's no guarantee that you'll earn anything, especially if you don't put in the work, right? You have to spend time and some money to make it work. And when I say money, I'm not talking about $10,000. I'm not talking about $20,000 or $100,000 investment. This is not that type of money that I'm talking about. You could get there if you were to just scale it up, but nobody would recommend that, right? You have some competition, right? You have to be patient and motivated. And I think that was my biggest struggle, because I wanted to see, I'm results driven. I wanted to see actions right away. So these are the top recommendations. Find and join an affiliate programs for beginners. Amazon, whenever you do searches out there, and obviously there's bigger lists, smaller lists, but this is the top 5 ones. Amazon, ClickBank, eBay affiliate, Commission Junction, and Rakuten. But the other thing is that what you want to do is find your niche. So we talked about already what affiliate program you're going to choose. Those are the 5 recommended. Once you get there, what is it that your interest lies on, right? So finding your niche. It can be hobby. The first square there is photography, travel, sports, event tickets, all that stuff. Money niche is debt settlement, Bitcoin, investing, credit card, mortgage, the health and fitness, weight loss, fitness, yoga, organic, nutrition, vegan, lifestyle, luxury, cruises, travel, online dating, airlines, fashion, jewelry. The family niche is home security, coffee, baby product, dogs, gardening. The tech side of it, web hosting, WordPress, VPN, SAS, gaming, software, and alternative, the CBD, and then I don't know if that's legal across all the boards, but that was recommended. I don't know anything about that. I'm just putting it out. And then I'm going to show you some stats here, right? In a few moments, we'll go over this and you'll see. Fashion, 23%, sports and outdoors, 18, health and beauty, 13, travel, 10, And you can see all of those there. So do me a favor, if you'd be so kind, on the comments, what is the niche that you're interested in, right? So we can start communicating. You might have, once we get this community started, you might find somebody, hey, we're both interested in the health niche. And not that you're going to be copying each other, but we can give each other tips. If one is into weight loss and the other one's into yoga, or one is into hockey and the other one's in gun range or whatever it is, you know, this is a community. We just want to help you guys. You can see the stats there. So yeah, do me a favor, just write, what is it that you're interested in? And, you know, and I wanted to talk about this too, passive income, right? Let's go back to the first video that was posted. We talked a little bit about it, but most beginners in affiliate marketing earn less than 20,000. And I think the national average was 11,000 at the very low end. With some experience, nearly half of the affiliate marketers earn under 100,000. A select number of affiliate marketers are able to earn over $1 million. So let's go back one sentence. With some experience, once you get this, once you hit the ground and you get some momentum and so you'll have a little bit of experience, right? You'll get there. You can be earning under, that's what they're saying, right? National average or more as a passive income. That means that you don't have to go grind every day to make that happen. I mean, initially it is, but it's passive. All the work is on the front load and then you maintain it. It's not like constantly interviewing every day, proving your boss that you can meet these deadlines and out proving yourself and out proving. This is, you set it up right, you tweak it to make adjustments so you can get that sweet spot, and then you leave it alone. And then you just make sure you tend the garden, right? Where you make sure that it's watered, it has enough sunlight, and you keep going. And there's seasons for every product, right? So the next slide said, if they can do it, so can you. So listen to this. Many affiliate marketers make thousands of dollars monthly from their blogs alone. And that's just one example, right? I'm not a blogger. So for example, Helen made about 3,000 or 3,600. Ryan earns about 44,000, and Adam earns about 80,000. That's crazy talk, right? That's just on the side. Love it. And then I put this, you might have seen it on the other slides, but the national average, and we're going back, they said most of them was under 100, but the national average is 154. I believe in you. You're not average. If you're listening to me, you're not average. Not that I'm any better or anything, but you're here because you want to improve yourself. And that's not an average person. That's a person that wants to go above and beyond. How do you join an affiliate program? So this is what we talked about. You got to choose an affiliate program. I gave you the 5 recommendations. You have to pick your niche. And I'm throwing it out there. Hopefully I'm saying this right. But it's selecting what category of stuff you want to go into. That's all it is. It's just a fancy marketer's word. And then pick your product or service and make sure that it's profitable for you. That's the baby that you're going to be investing time in. And then you go from there. So guys, to continue this, just hit the subscribe button for me, please. And we'll see you in the next video. Take care, guys. This always gets me. One day I'll get it right.